Hey, what's up, guys? It's Mr. Roark. So, as I told you guys yesterday, I'm out today. And so what I wanted to do really quickly was come to you guys and explain to you what you're going to be doing for 7th grade and for the 8th grade. So with that being said, we've already covered this stuff in class, so you guys should know what's going on. But if you are in the 7th grade on pages 56 and 57, you're working on problems 1, 2, 4, 6, on page 56, and on page 57, problems 1, 2, and 4, all right? Now, we already went through and set up the first 4 problems on page 56, so that should be pretty straightforward and pretty easy. And on page 57, we already went through and set up the line, like the line, and the equal sign, and the line again. So it's your job at this point to go through on page 57 and plug in the units that you think are going to go in there, all right? If you need help, right here on the STAR reference material, you have on the back side all the information you need, but you have a lot of it already on your workbooks as it is. So there's that for the 7th grade. 8th grade, on page 177 and 178, you're going to be working on the following. So on page 177, problems 1, 2, 4, okay, and I had you guys outline the triangles down here on problem number 4. And then on page 178, you're going to do problems 1, 2, 3, and 4, okay? So you have 7 problems as well. For you guys, if you need information or you need help, I've already written, I'll show you in just a minute, I've already written the formula on the board, but all you're going to find right now is lateral surface area. I don't want you guys going through and trying to find total surface area yet because we haven't covered that yet. But the formula you're going to need for lateral surface area is here. So if you've got a prism, your formula is going to be surface area equals capital P, perimeter of the base, times the height. If you've got a cylinder, your formula is going to be surface area is 2 times pi times the radius times the height, okay? And that's going to give you your lateral surface area for a cylinder, okay? Now again, we have just kind of gotten started on this, so you're not probably really good at it, which is why on those 7 problems that I just showed you and the ones that I showed you yesterday, you're going to be working on just finding the lateral surface area for that. Now, if you have a hard time with knowing what that is, I've gone ahead and put that information also right here, which I also showed you earlier. So again, if you've got a prism, capital P times H, perimeter of the base times the height for a prism, and then over here on a cylinder, your formula is going to be that 2 times pi times my radius times my height. Multiply all that stuff together, and that's going to give you what you need for the lateral surface area of your cylinder. Let's see if I can keep this thing positioned and it not fall over. There we go. All right, a little bit of glue on my eye still from that Halloween costume. Finally, you guys know I do shout outs at the very end. So, Brianna, first period. Hopefully you have eaten through a fair amount of your candy and you aren't as wound up as you were yesterday. So, I'm going to say this. If you can't keep from dancing in my class and just all that other stuff you do, just put your head down, okay? Because I know that you were really wound up yesterday from all the candy you ate. Second period. That setup that I was talking about just a minute ago for the 7th grade second period class, we didn't do that in class. I actually had another class set that up for you. So on page 56 for you guys, you're going to see those problems already set up. And on page 57, you're going to try setting those up on your own. Third period, you guys tend to beat each other's throats a lot about relationship stuff and whatever else. Just play nice, okay? 5th period, Emily, Kaylee, Jackie, and Megan, you guys tend to be this like little quadrant of like fun and play with hair and everything else. You're going to be a lot of working in partners today, guys, but you 4, you got to pick which partner you're going to stay with and stay with them. 6th period, Caitlin, listen, I know you've missed a couple of days of school. Ask your brother, Ethan, if he can catch you up on stuff. Ethan, be nice to your sister in class, please. 7th period, like I said, we're going to be working in groups today, but Kylie and Xavier Lugo, you guys, I'm going to be honest, you weren't terribly productive than the last time you guys worked with partners. I would probably suggest that unless you can work with a partner, hold on, my battery is dying on me. Unless you guys can work in partners, just try to find somebody else to play with, work with somebody else, all right? And then finally, Demetrius, hey, listen, I know that I didn't think I could get my head as shiny as yours, but I did it. So now you got the second shiniest head in the class. So anyways, guys, like I said, play nice. You're allowed working in partners, all right? So pick a partner, one, and then also you're allowed, if you have music, you can listen to your music. If you have your work done, you can go to the makerspace and either read a book, grab a brain puzzle, put your head down, or if you guys want to grab like an activity sheet over here, I've got them over here. I'll be over here by where the trays are at, all right? Guys, have a great day. Behave for the sub. If you have any trouble out of any of these students, please do me a favor and write their name on a note back to me, and I will take care of it when I get back on Monday. All right, have a great weekend, guys. See ya.